I've become extremely proud and arrogant. I don't go to press cons anymore. No, actually, that's a good question. It really hasn't sunk in because it has been a blur because we were promoting the film first. We were doing tours and concerts and all, and a little lack of sleep. But and after that, I had to finish work. And I wouldn't want it to sunk in like that because I can't let it go to my head. I think I worked as an artist in the film, and a film is made with teamwork. I mean, I know that we heroes do take a lot of credit out of it, but it's a teamwork basically. From writing to director to everybody on the sets to the spot boys to the lighting people. I think they work harder than we do in some aspects. And we just managed to make a good film, but and then thank you to the public and everybody for making it so successful. And so I would like to continue like that so that I can give it my best and focus on the artistic value of the process of filmmaking rather than feeling like a star or anything.
Yeah, but Ali has to work doubly hard on this movie because not only is he the lead actor, he's also the music composer, and he's singing in the movie. So is Aditi also singing in the movie. They're both singing stars in this movie, and Ali has also done the lyrics of the movie. So his team in this movie consists of him and himself. So
that's what I wanted to ask because of the.
Possibly, actually, you're right because even my ad career has been in reverse gear. But I don't know why that is. But sometimes it's also given me the opportunity to do something that I would have probably never done if I had somebody actually advising me to do all the right things. So it's okay, you learn from everything. And even Ye Sali Zindagi, I mean, she was a mother of a kid, but she was a very young mother. That was what the film was about. So I don't think that matters, and I think now we have fabulous producers, Fox, and it doesn't matter to them, and I think everybody has moved beyond that. But it's fun, right? I'm Benjamin Button. It's great.
Alright, Aditi, Dipti from Rajshri.com. My question to you is, when in your last movie you were seen kissing your co-actor a lot of times.
Good grief, yes.
Yes. And over here, what has been known to us is that you and Ali would be having a lot of intimate scenes in the movie as well. So what are we looking at right now? A choir version of Malika Sherawat?
What do I say to that? Okay, have you seen Ye Sali Zindagi?
Yes, I have.
Yeah. So all the kissing in that was completely valid. It was so organic to the film, right?
Absolutely.
And I think it's the intention behind whatever scene it is that you put in the film. And if that is an honest intention, then I think it doesn't upset the viewer or the actor in any way. And I think that is so in our film as well. I mean, if we didn't have an intimate scene, you would think, what is wrong with these people? Which world do they live in? So I think sometimes it's necessary, and if it's done beautifully, I will not use the word aesthetic, but if it's done beautifully, I think it's lovely to watch. It's fine.
And does that work for you since that's happening pretty early on in your career?
Kissing?
Yeah.
It really...
In this film, we have very family intimate scenes that you can watch with your family.
And since you're a family man yourself, how did you react when the script which demanded intimate scenes was offered to you?
I think you like it.
And your wife? Would she like it as well?
Yeah, she loves it.
I think if it wasn't there, you would have thought it was odd.
I think the important thing about this film is, this is a very contemporary film. It's about today's young people. So I think, are we saying today's young people are not getting intimate? So I don't think this is trying to do things or suggest what doesn't happen. This is a very, very contemporary rendition of falling in love, breaking up, and all the emotions that are associated.
Intend to do in this action movies?
You want to do an action movie? Yeah, we'll now have a female action star after this romantic film. I am working on my thigh muscles at the moment, and I think, let's see. I mean, I haven't come across a script which would require me to play an action, but I'm very fond of playing action. I think every hero is. एक इधर से मारा, 6 उधर गए, इधर किया, 12 उधर से उड़ गए. एंड तो इस फिल्म में पूरी फिल्म मैंने शर्ट उतार के की है, आखिर में मैं शर्ट पहन लेता हूँ.